tonight I've been practicing bleed in a bit of different way, but it's very useful. I'm listening to the original recording on Spotify, and then I'm walking, and I had this mental metronome on the quarter notes. Tick, tuk, 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 and then I'm marching right, left, right, left, right, left with my feet, the whole song, and I'm just getting into my head. Moving your body in the same tempo as the song. It's actually a quite comfortable walking pace, a bit up tempo, and you're walking, and it's a good flow. And you just keep that quarter notes and get it in your head, and you predict the riff, and you can feel them, and you learn them, and you understand them. And I think it's a very useful way. It's a good way to practice if you don't have a drum kit nearby. If you're out traveling, you can do this when you're anywhere. You just put on your AirPods and you practice the song. It's a good tip. Try it. Very useful. See ya.